Hi, good morning everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the community postings. So, in the community posting, it's a part of fourth year BSc requirements. So, we taken the students to the Chinna Kalipatti village. There we started with numbering the houses. So, the numbering the houses, it helped the survey. So how many people are there, how many under 5, how many pregnant women, like that we'll take one survey. So after that we are conducting some health camp. So here you can see some students are taking the BP, weight and height and sugar level, everything they are checking for the village people to find out the any disease conditions in the particular villages. So all the people are eagerly joined in the camp. So we are giving awareness every month. We have to go and check the BP and the sugar, their height and weight, everything. Because after 50 years there will be so many risk of getting problems. So always we are educating in the village. We have to go for the health checkup yearly once, or we are telling them to go for nearby PHC. That PHC is located in the Chinna Kalipatti only. So we are telling them to go there and check everything. So this will be helpful for the student and also for the family members. That's a community. For the students, they easily understand how to screen the disease conditions. What are the signs and symptoms will be there with the people, so easily we can find out. And for the people also, they are very eagerly joined, and they also understand what is this, how I have to go for the health checkup, everything that people also they are knowing it. So every year the fourth year students, they will be going for the particular village and they are conducting the health camp. Not only this, we are going to the Palwadi school also, and that school primary school also we will be conduct some health program to the people. So this health program will help them to take a good behavior in their life. Not only the adult, we are taking it for the kid also. Here you can see that kid, we are taking the weight of the kid, because in that village so many kids are having a malnourished. Malnourished means they are not up to the weight. Their weight is very less. So we are educating that people what type of diet we have to take to improve the weight of the child. So we are teaching them in the family, we are teaching in the community also, and we are taking the we are taking that health educations to the Palwadi schools also. Along with the mother, we are taking some programs. So we are taking the adult also. Here the adult screening also that students are doing here. So what is their height and weight, what is their BMI rate, everything we have to be notified. So they are giving some health education also to the people, what type of food you have to be take. So we conducted one Palwadi program, that I am attaching the video here. சில குழந்தைங்கலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வயிறு மட்டும் ஒரு மாதிரி உப்பி போயிருப்பாங்க, கை காலெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நார்மலா இருக்கும், வயிறு மட்டும் ஒரு மாதிரி உப்பி இருக்கும். அது வந்து ஏன்னா